Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best chemistry set is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a child's interest in science. Designed for kids aged 10 to 12, these sets offer a hands-on approach to learning chemistry, allowing young minds to explore the fascinating world of reactions, compounds, and elements. With a variety of experiments, these sets provide a fun and educational experience, encouraging curiosity and a love for scientific discovery. Number 5. National Geographic Gemstone Dig Kit for Kids. This amazing dig kit is packed with 15 real semi-precious gemstones and crystals. Kids will feel like real geologists as they dig and discover the dazzling specimens hidden inside. Inside, they'll find sought-after gemstones like amethyst, peridot, citrin, and more. This unique kit provides an unforgettable digging experience for children. The kit includes a dig tool, brush, magnifying glass, and easy-to-follow instructions. A detailed learning guide teaches them about each stone, making it a complete STEM experience. Unlike other kits, this one lets them excavate incredible specimens. They'll have a gemstone collection they'll treasure forever after they are done. National Geographic STEM series provides high-quality educational toys that are a whole lot of fun. If their experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know so we can make it right. What we like. This kit offers a unique digging experience, allowing kids to excavate real gemstones. It includes a detailed learning guide, making it a complete science kit. If you are looking for a hands-on activity that combines fun with education, this is a great choice. It provides an unforgettable experience for young geologists. What people say. She loved finding the gems, cleaning them up, and reading about them in the enclosed brochure. My son loved doing this and learning about all the different kinds of gems. Specifically loved the history nicknames of the gems. We found 15 different gems in it and he had a blast digging through it and finding them. I would suggest soaking it in water for 5 to 10 minutes before starting. It does make it messy but way easier to dig it apart. Highly recommend if you have a curious kid like mine. Number 4. Blue Marble Rock Collection Box for Kids. This amazing kit is a perfect introduction to the fascinating world of rocks and minerals. It includes a massive collection of genuine specimens from around the world. It's a great way to spark curiosity and learn about our planet. Inside, you'll find over 300 different rock, mineral, and crystal specimens. This collection is a perfect standalone kit or an expansion to any existing collection. It's a treasure trove of geological wonders. Experience the thrill of discovery by cracking open 2 premium geodes. The dazzling crystal interiors are a sight to behold. This hands-on activity makes learning about geology fun and memorable. Use the included full-color learning guide and magnifying glass to identify amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and more. The guide helps you explore the unique characteristics of each specimen. It's an educational adventure for kids. The collection features a wide variety of rocks, including amethyst, aventurine, and snowflake obsidian. Each rock has its own unique story to tell. It's a diverse and exciting collection. Safely store your collection in the included storage bag. Use the magnifying glass to examine your favorite specimens up close. It's a great way to showcase and protect your geological treasures. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. They develop products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a U.S. support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This rock collection boasts over 300 genuine specimens, including geodes and crystals. The full-color learning guide helps kids identify and explore different rocks. If you have a budding geologist or a child who loves collecting, this kit provides a comprehensive and engaging experience. It's perfect for expanding any rock collection. What people say. This set includes a diverse collection of over 300 gemstones, crystals, and fossils, providing a hands-on learning experience. The included specimens are genuine and well-preserved, offering a real-world connection to Earth's history. Cracking open geodes and discovering crystal formations is a fun and exciting activity for kids. Number 3. National Geographic Sensory Science Kit, Mega Kit. This kit is designed to stimulate the senses. It includes amazing sand, putty, and slime. It's a great STEM gift for kids. The sand, putty, and slime are all reusable. This means hours of fun, interactive, and creative play. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained. This kit is perfect for playing with friends, family, or classmates. It encourages collaboration and is a great learning activity for kids. The included learning guide is packed with science facts. It makes this the ultimate sensory science kit. It's a fun way to learn. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. All our products are backed by exceptional service. We'll make it right if you're not satisfied. What we like. This sensory science kit offers a variety of materials like sand, putty, and slime for interactive play. The materials are reusable, providing lasting fun. If you like collaborative activities that encourage creativity and exploration, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on, sensory experiences. What people say. Good product to give very nice learning experience for young scientists. NG deserve kudos for making such a wonderful item. In fact, today they brought me a crystal that they had made. Number 2. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit for Kids. Unleash your inner scientist with this amazing kit. It allows you to grow crystals in 8 vibrant colors, including glow-in-the-dark. This is a fun and educational experience for kids. Watch your crystals grow in just 3 to 4 days. The kit includes everything you need, making the process easy and exciting. It's a perfect way to learn about crystal chemistry. The included instructions and silicone growing chambers make growing crystals a breeze. It's designed to be simple and fun for kids of all ages. You will enjoy the process. Showcase your creations with the USB-powered light-up display. It's a great way to admire your crystals and adds a cool touch to any room. It is a great STEM activity. The kit also comes with real gemstone specimens to start or expand your rock collection. Learn about quartz, rose quartz, and more with the included learning guide. This is a great educational gift. This product is made with high-quality materials and backed by exceptional service. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. It's designed to inspire a lifelong love of science. What we like. This kit allows kids to grow crystals in various colors quickly, with a light-up display to showcase them. It also includes real crystal specimens to start or expand a collection. If you are looking for a visually appealing and educational science project, this kit is perfect. It combines the excitement of crystal growing with a beautiful display. What people say. This product is fantastic for hands-on fun and it turns out to really cool thing to have around when complete. The set is very nice and comes as advertised, however, the crystals did not grow as well as I expected, based on a previous Nat Geo kit he had. The provided cups for the experiment really did not work at all, the ones we grew in plastic cups we had at home turned out better. All the crystals are made using the same chemical compound but with different coloring materials. Number 1. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. This set includes 10 mind-blowing science experiments. Kids can make a coin float and change the color of water. You won't find experiments like these anywhere else. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. The included magic wand and white gloves let them dress the part. Magic for kids has never been this fun and educational. The experiment guide has illustrated, kid-friendly instructions. It also provides insight into the science behind the magic and fascinating facts. It's a great learning tool. This kit includes all the tools needed for each experiment. The magical science fun can start the moment they open the box. No extra shopping is required. This is a high-quality, hands-on science toy. All products are backed by exceptional service. If there are any issues, they will make things right. What we like. This magic chemistry set combines science experiments with magic tricks, making learning fun and engaging. The illustrated instructions and included tools make it easy to perform the experiments. If you like the idea of making science fun and entertaining, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love magic and science. What people say. The instructions were simple, clear, and easy to follow, no confusion or frustration, just pure fun. Everything we needed was included, excluding some basic household things. The results were impressive without being overly complicated. With 10 amazing magic tricks included in the set, kids are sure to be amazed and delighted as they learn the science behind each illusion. From disappearing ink to color-changing liquids, each trick is not only mesmerizing but also serves as a hands-on lesson in chemistry and physics. The kit comes with everything needed to perform each experiment and trick, making it easy for kids to dive right in and start exploring. Plus, the clear and concise instructions ensure that children can conduct experiments safely and independently, fostering confidence and critical thinking skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.